I drink. I finished drinking. I'm looking for. I found it. Action, result of action. In today's lesson, we're going to talk about verb, result, complement. Let's get started. What is the result complement? Result complement are kind of verbal complement. In Chinese, there are many verbs which don't include outcomes. For those verbs, we need result complement to describe a complete action with its result. Mainly, verbs and adjectives can be used as complement of result. Let's look at some commonly used verbs as complement of result. To do, 做 which is a verb. To finish, 完 which is result complement. 做完 means to finish doing. Let's look at two sentences. First sentence, subject plus verb plus object. I'm doing homework. 我做作业. The action is to do, but doesn't tell the result. Another sentence, subject plus verb plus result complement plus object. I finished my homework. 我做完作业了. The action is finished with result. Another example, verb to eat, 吃 To finish, 完 吃完 to finish eating. I have breakfast. 我吃早饭 The action is to eat, no result. The other sentence, I finished my breakfast. 我吃完早饭了 The action is finished with result. Another example, verb to look for, 找 Result complement, 到 means to arrive, but here means to achieve. 找到 means to find. The action achieved the purpose of looking for something. I look for the key. 我找钥匙 That means the action is look for but no result. The other sentence, I found the key. 我找到钥匙了 The action is to achieve the purpose of looking for something with result. Verb to listen, 听 到 to arrive, 听到 to hear. So that means the action achieved the purpose of listening something. I listen, 我听 no result. I heard, 我听到了 and this is with result. Now let's talk about use adjectives as result complement. Verb to write, 写 对 means correct. 写对 means to write correctly. I write this word. 我写这个字 The The action is to write, but no result. The other sentence, I wrote this word correctly. 我写对这个字了。我写对这个字了。The action is correct with result. The verb to wash, 洗 result complement, 干净 clean, 洗干净 to wash clean. I wash clothing, 我洗衣服 The action is to wash, no result. The other sentence, I washed and it's clean. 我洗干净了 The action has result which is clean. Verb to say, 说 result complement, wrong 错 说错 say something wrong. I'm talking with a friend. 我和朋友说话 The action is to talk, no result. The other sentence with result. I said something wrong. 我说错话了 Result complement is a little bit complicated. I hope this video is clear and helpful. If you have some questions, please let me know. I'll see you again next time. 再见。